I'm over here with my daughter. We're chilling on this boat.
All right.
As you can see, I got my man Otis, her boyfriend, doing his thing on the boat. I know you hear the music. This is me, Juan Shamsu Alam, taking pictures, taking a nice view. Esto va pa' caer Puerto Rico. Calle, coño. Ponte serio. All right. Ponte bien, because we're gonna be doing the movie, The Families. Just want you all to know, keeping it real.
Never wait too long to try, 'cause you might win, you might win.
There you go.
Never wait too
How I
long
did that.
to
You like that?
try,
Doing it right.
'cause you might win.
Check it out. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. Look at how beautiful this is. Damn. Oye, Aníbal. Ponte serio, charlatán. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Wow. Romeo, I think I see you in that boat, brother. Alright. Vamos a ponernos serios. Alright, I told you. I told you. That's what I'm talking about. My daughter again, chilling out. Hey, my man right there. Died because he owes a lot of money. Boom. There you go. Yo, you gonna be in my movie? I'm gonna put my daughter in the movie, The Family. Alright. Chilly on Father's Day. You know what I mean? Chilly on Father's Day. It is what it is. Nice music. We're gonna take a ride over to Rikers Island right now.
Oh my God.
I have to drive. My daughter has a curfew. You got a curfew?